Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Pooja and today's video is about a small cleanup that you can do at your home with minimal products that are also affordable, and let's get started. So let's start with the first step of a cleanup, that's cleansing. So for cleansing my face, I'm using this cleanser from Bio Burberry Hydrating Cleanser, and I'm using this since years. And I really like this cleanser because it has many nourishing things, and it don't make my skin itchy or don't irritate me. So I'm just gonna take a generous amount of cleanser on this cotton pad. Now I'm not wearing a lot of makeup because I just came from outside and it's really hot in Mumbai. And it's really hot now. So as you can see, the cleansing has been done properly. There's no makeup on my face now. So now I have to take the steam from this utensil because I don't have my steamer right now. But I don't really recommend you guys to take steam like this. But my mom suggested me this, so let's take the steam. So I took the steam. Can you guys see the difference? There is a lot of difference. To the next step, as steaming is done, you can take steam for like 1 to 2 minutes. That's more than enough because taking some extra steam can really harm your skin. So the next step is scrubbing, and for that I am using the face scrub from M Caffeine. That's Naked and Raw Espresso Coffee Face Scrub, this one. Okay. If you want to buy these products, I'll give the link of these in the description box afterwards. You can go and check out the products. I use this scrub most of the times because this is very nice on skin, very nice and gentle, and the beads in this scrub really exfoliates your skin, as they state on their crimp that it's a deep exfoliation scrub, and it really does what it states. Really in love with the smell. I don't like coffee, but I like this smell of this. I'm not a big fan of coffee. So exfoliating your skin is really important. It removes dead cells, removes the dirt on your skin, blackheads, acne. It helps in everything. You know, by scrubbing, you can feel the tingling on your skin. And this also contains coffee, so coffee is very nice for the puffy faces. If you get puffy eyes after getting up in the morning, you can really scrub your face with this. Just gently massage your skin with this, it will help you a lot. After scrubbing your face, just wash it with water, not with any face wash or something. Don't use any kind of soap on this after scrubbing, okay? Just clean it with water. So I'll just go and wash this with water. So I have done the scrubbing, and now let's move to the fourth step of our cleanup, that is a face pack. And this is my favorite part because applying a face pack is really fun for me. But see, there's also a tip for you, not a tip, just a reminder that during all this process, stay hydrated, because drinking water is equally important of doing all these things. If you don't drink generous amount of water and you do just the cleanup things, it's not going to work. It's not going to look on your skin, because what you eat and what you drink, it reflects on your skin. If you keep eating junk food, unhealthy food, you can see it all here on your face. So for the face pack, as of now it's summers, so I keep changing my skin essentials. Climate to climate really depends on my skin type. So for summers I am using this face pack from Vlcc. It has aloe extract, lavender oil and multani mitti. Multani mitti is very nice in summers. People apply a lot of multani mitti packs in summers because it really cools down your skin and it brings glow on your skin. If you have tanning, it also removes the tanning from your skin. So let's try. Applying face mask is my favorite thing. So this face mask is more like a clay face mask. Can you see? So this, it's so good and it smells so good. I just love the smell of this face mask, and it's perfect for summers. I'm very particular about my face mask. And make sure that I apply it properly, because if you don't apply your face pack properly, it's not going to show you the proper results. So apply this carefully. I'm very particular about my face masks. I don't know why I'm obsessed. I use this so much. Oh shit. So I'm done with the face mask, and we will keep this face mask for 20 to 15 minutes till it dries, and then we will wash this off. So as you can see, our face mask is dried totally, and it's time to wash this off now. So I'll be back in just 1 minute washing this off. So I have washed my face mask, and we are done with our fourth step. And our last step of this cleanup is the toner. So basically there are a lot of toners in the market that you can use according to your skin type, according to your need. But in summers especially, I don't like to use any kind of toner. um, I use simply the rose water because it really cools down my skin, and it don't my skin is very sensitive, so it don't give any other kind of problems to my skin. It just sets on my skin like water, and it gives me really good hydration. So this is the toner, this is the rose water that I have bought recently, and I'll use this just some amount of rose water, and I'll just put that on my skin. I'll just pat it, okay? Don't do it like this. Don't apply like a cream or something. Just pat this on your skin. Because now, as we have done scrubbing, face pack, steaming, the pores on your skin are really opened. And if you put some extra products on it, this can give you a breakout also. So just be careful. And on your neck. I'll take some more on my cheeks. The smell of this toner is nostalgic. So this is the type of skin that we have. This is the result. You can spot the difference in my skin, like my skin before the cleanup and my skin after the cleanup. When I started this video, I was wearing some makeup, so that was my skin with makeup. But now this is my bare skin. Some after tips of this cleanup are: don't use any kind of face wash or soap after cleaning up your face, because your pores are opened, and if you use any soap on it, it can damage your skin. So do not use soap. Do not use any kind of moisturizer at least for 24 hours.